Today we're demonstrating the Azure OpenAI Masterclass and the solutions it delivers to help organizations leverage artificial intelligence to improve processes and transform business operations. The AI Masterclass progresses through several phases, including a readiness evaluation, a workshop to identify a use case for development of a proof of concept, and, pending results, further development into a pilot program. Today, we'll be looking at a proof of concept developed for a regional mining and resources company. Through the OpenAI Masterclass, a proof of concept was developed to create a virtual agent that is trained on data and documents shared by the company to answer questions related to company policies and procedures. Based on the results of the proof of concept, the company is pursuing a pilot program. We begin by logging into the secure portal, which is the central hub for managing the intelligent agent and all queries. In this portal, we can ask any question related to the company's policies and procedures, which generates a response using AI. It is recommended to only include in-scope questions to ensure that the AI only references the policy and procedures documentation provided. This focuses the AI, its responses, and maintains control over usage and expense. Whenever a question is entered, the Azure OpenAI solution will process it and provide a clear, concise answer based on the data and documents available. This showcases the capability of the intelligent agent to quickly scan available information to generate an answer to the question asked by an employee. This proof of concept includes a feature which is often requested to increase transparency and control. Every time the intelligent agent generates an answer, an employee, the human in the loop, has the option to assess the response by giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If an employee gives a thumbs down to an answer, the intelligent agent will use that feedback to self-train and provide an improved response the next time that query is asked. The intelligent agent also provides a link to the source document reference to provide the answer. If we click on the citation, it opens up that document for review. Now, let's switch gears and explore the admin panel. On the prompt feed you can see all of the prompts and responses, or completions. You can also see the user-generated response to each prompt and completion, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Here, admins can tag queries as needed and assess the judgment of responses provided to ensure the intelligent agent is performing as expected. The performance matrix checker can be used to manage everything associated with the Azure OpenAI solution. Many data points are available for monitoring and managing the intelligent agent, including cost, response time, and tokens utilized. That is a high-level view of how the Azure OpenAI proof of concept operates. The proof of concept can be implemented in a matter of weeks to quickly showcase the capabilities and generate excitement about the use of AI. Based on the results of the proof of concept, the solution can be integrated into a pilot and then production, where it will constantly learn as feedback is provided and new data is collected. By participating in the OpenAI Masterclass, customers can quickly see the power of a solution that leverages artificial intelligence, and make informed decisions about moving to a pilot and full production, speeding adoption of OpenAI, and transforming their business. Contact a Microsoft seller to discuss your eligibility for this exciting program in more detail.